Hello, my name's Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a double knitting tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you how to work the left-leaning crossed double decrease, which is the one where the center stitch of the three goes to the back and the right stitch sits on top, looking like the decrease leans over to the left, like that. In order to do that, I need to rearrange my next three pairs of stitches from their current order, knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, to knit, 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 purl, 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 and I do that by inserting the tip of the right needle into the first, third, and fifth stitch on the left needle. Then I slide the left needle out of all five of those stitches. The second and fourth stitches pop free at the back, and before they have a chance to go anywhere, I grab them with the left needle again. Then I can slip the three knit stitches purlwise back into place, and I've got three knits and three purls, and I'm ready to go. So the decrease on the front face of the fabric looks like this. I slip one stitch knitwise from the left needle to the right, and then I slip the other two stitches together and knitwise, also from the left needle to the right. Then I stick my left needle into the front of all of these stitches coming towards me, and then I can use my yarn A to purl all of those three stitches together through the back legs, and that's already completed on the front. You can see the two outer stitches are crossing over each other there, and the center stitch is hidden at the back. Bring both yarns to the front of the work. Then I'm going to slip three stitches individually and knitwise from the left needle to the right. 1, 2, and 3. Then I'm going to slip two stitches together and knitwise from the right needle to the left. So that's going around the front and slipping those two together like that. And then slipping the third stitch also knitwise, coming around the front and slipping it across like that. And then all I have to do is purl these three stitches together with the opposite yarn to the one I used for the front of the fabric, in this case the purple yarn. And I take both of my yarns to the back of the work. And then we've got the left-leaning crossed double decrease on the front, and the same happening on the back. Even that out a little bit, and it looks like it leans to the right on the back of the fabric, meaning that both of my decreases are pointing in the same direction. That's the left-leaning crossed double decrease in double knitting.